What's up, guys? Good Sunday morning. Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors Back Porch Edition. I've hunted my butt off this week. I'm taking the day off, but I got you a video. Walmart is back at it, guys. Bah! Look at that. They got some more knives in. They're $5 knives. We're going to go over two of them today. Let you know what I think. Stick around. Oakley dokley. First one, we're going to go with fixed blade. 7-inch fixed blade stainless steel. Some kind of handle. Fake wood. 3-inch blade, 4-inch handle, sheath included. That's pretty much all the details you get. It's Walmart. It's $5. We're gonna cut her open with a real knife. Now, you know what I think about these Ozark Trail knives. For $5, they are worth it. Okay, little safety tip is removable. This is a small knife. This is a real small knife. Probably it's got a pretty good edge on it. Probably a good field knife for you. Definitely a small hand person. Ballistic nylon sheath with the hard plastic insert, which I like. And let's see here, nice and tight and snug in there, and boom, not bad. Like I said, $5, really can't beat it. Nice little pack knife, gift knife. You know, everybody's got that 1 or 2 or 10 people on their Christmas list that they don't really, I'm not gonna say that they don't like, but they don't like them enough to spend a lot of money on them on Christmas. Just saying. But it's not bad. Like I said, $5, good edge on it. You could definitely skin some game with this, squirrels, deer, whatever. Of course, it's not going to last forever, but like we've discussed before, $5 and you lose it, you'll survive. Well, you'll be okay with losing a $5 knife compared to losing a $300 knife. But excellent little pack knife, excellent little toolbox, tackle box, truck door, console, glove box. Good little backup. All right, now let's get to the 7-inch folder. Stainless steel blade, polypropylene handle. It's got the belt clip, liner lock, 4-inch handle, 3-inch blade. Again, this is a Ozark Trail Walmart brand knife. And I kind of like this knife already. Just when I saw it in the package, I like the shape of that blade. Excellent little pocket knife. Good blade. Good blade. Small, compact, fit in your pocket. Got the belt clip right there. It won't dig into your side like some of them do. It's got the thumb opener on both sides. Liner lock right there. It is a lock blade. Good little knife. You can probably skin some stuff out with this one as well. But very handy little pocket knife. Lightweight. Feels good and tight too. It's not loose. Everything feels good. It's got a nice little grip on the handle right here. Real good grip. Yeah, not too bad. You could put a lanyard in there if you wanted to. I mean, who puts a lanyard in a pocket knife? But you could. Yeah, again, for $5, you really can't beat it, guys. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I might carry this to work this week and give it a test. Give my other one a break. Do me a favor real quick and go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, of course. You guys are awesome. Just want to mention that. Give me that thumbs up on this video if you don't mind, and please go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Like I said, been doing some hunting this week. Finally got a deer on the ground over the weekend with my bow. Believe it or not, it's my first deer with the bow. I was pumped about that. I mean, it was a doe, but during archery you are allowed to take, you know, you're allowed to take doe. And you know, I'm filled in the freezer. I'm not a trophy hunter. You know, I hunt for meat, not for trophies. And it was awesome. Great shot. Deer didn't go 50 yards and dropped double lunged her. Easy recovery. That's always a plus when you're hunting. So please go ahead and check out my other videos. Might have another one coming for you this afternoon. Haven't decided yet, but got some more coming in the days to come, so something you can look forward to. Be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.